Hello everyone, welcome to a new session of Short Sir classes. You can say SSC also. And today we are discussing about the West Bengal Civil Service 2019 questions, and to be precise, in the geography part, or the questions of from the geography section. So first question in this section is Manas Sarovar Lake lies on which mountain ranges? Okay, so basically Manas Sarovar Lake is now resided in China, or you can say Tibet. Okay, and this Sarovar water body, or what you can say, is also named as Mapam Yumtso, or you can write it here again, also known as Mapam Yumtso. So it's a high altitude freshwater lake fed by Kailash glaciers. It is fed by Kailash glaciers, and it's situated near Mount Kailash. It's situated, I can write here, near Mount Kailash. So you have your answer. The answer is option C, which is Kailash range. Okay. So a very unique feature of this lake is reserved as a sacred place in 4 of the religions, like Buddhism, Hinduism, Bons, and Jainism. Okay. So that's all for this question. Now we can move to the next question. Now here's a little tricky question. In India, which type of forest among the following occupies the largest area? The answer was tropical wet evergreen, tropical moist deciduous, montane wet and temperate, and tropical dry deciduous. So first of all, those 4 types of forest found in our country. Okay, and the most and among them, the most widespread one is the tropical deciduous one. Okay, and this tropical deciduous type of forests are further divided in those 2, tropical dry deciduous and tropical moist deciduous. Here they played the trick. Okay, so everyone knows that this tropical deciduous one is the largest occupied forest type in our country, and which is further divided by tropical moist deciduous and tropical dry deciduous. Okay, now among these 2, which one is more prevalent in our country? That will be a tricky question. So you just want to know, tropical dry deciduous is the highest forest area covered in our country, and which is followed by tropical moist deciduous. Okay, so the right answer is option D, tropical dry deciduous. Because tropical dry deciduous forests are occupied about 279,506 square kilometer area, whereas tropical moist deciduous covered an area of 1,44,747 square kilometer area. Okay, so the right answer for this question is tropical dry deciduous. Now another tricky question, which is Lakshadweep is an island of coral island, volcanic island, or tectonic island, or alluvial island. Okay, the first we are maximum students are confused with. We all know Lakshadweep is a coral island. Okay, but the original base of the Lakshadweep region, which is connected to the Maldives, are volcanic island. Okay, and after this on this volcanic island, coral reefs are formed and presenting today's archipelago. Okay, so for this reason, the right answer for this question is volcanic island. Okay, now there's another tricky question. They mention the name of the state which has larger boundary with West Bengal among the following states of India. The options are Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, and Assam. So, and West Bengal have its borders the Indian states of Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sikkim, and Assam. Here they are named, didn't mention Sikkim here. Okay, so now if we took that from which state West Bengal shares the longest boundary, the answer is Jharkhand. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. In our next session we will start it with from the question number 106, and if you have any suggestion to our classes, you can contact us in this number 9836793076, and also you can mail us at shouravclasses.com. So thank you for being with us. Hope this video will be helpful for your preparation.